So let's take this apart and see if we can make money with ACN. Should be interesting to see what one of these video phones are worth in scrap. That box on the side. So we definitely have cables, which are always quite valuable. Obviously for the people who do the gold, don't forget these little tips. I know Board Sort pays for these little connectors. I think they're down to like 60 cents now. So cut these little bits, keep the wire. These I don't bother opening or anything. I just sell them as miscellaneous wire. I usually don't have a problem with that with my guys at the scrapyard. My little clippers. Clippers are right here. Clip the phone. Let's see what's in one of these phones. Let's see if we can pry it open, or is it a difficult process and we'll have to use a hammer. Nope. Ooh, just pops out. So we got some steel, and all that's in here is some more wire and a small speaker. At one point I used to collect the speakers and sell them separately. I haven't done that in a while. Don't think it's worth it anymore, but for some it might be. Collect these. I used to do it with computers and everything, computer speakers and everything. Used to keep these. So we have a bunch of scrap plastic. That's gonna go in the trash. Doesn't seem too difficult to open these up. A few screws from the looks of it. Should be simple enough. Almost there. I'm guessing there's going to be a motherboard of some sort in here. So it might be worth the value of a peripheral board or something. I guess it's kind of like a router because it has like the LAN WAN connectors and everything. So yeah, just like I said. So we got this little peripheral board, at least I'm assuming Board Sort gives that much for this. I guess it could be considered a telecom board, but I doubt it. So looking here, so for the gold people, some gold in here, definitely gold in there, in here, the little USB port, always gold in here. These connectors, from the looks of it, you can't really see them because they're small, but there's gold in here. Obviously we have the monolithic capacitors. There's plenty of them on here for people who collect them. The IC chips and whatnot. So pretty simple board.